If you've been trying to figure out what skill set to monetize, stop guessing because there's a simple test that your skill must pass if it must ever make you money. The very first skill test that you must pass is to understand what problem your skill set can solve. This is very important because if you don't know the problem that you're solving and the people that need it, you would never make money. And I had to learn this the hard way. Probably over 6, 7 years ago, when I started thinking of monetizing my skill set, one of the things that I thought about was the things that I liked. And that is the wrongest path to go because at the end of the day, it is not what you like that matters. It is what people actually want. You need to figure out what people want and ensure that you can solve that problem and then figure out whether you like it enough to go help them solve it. But at the time, I was focused on what I liked and I was trying to figure out the other people that liked it. Now, when you go through that approach, there's a possibility that there might not be a big pool for the things that you like. And if there is not a big enough pool, then how are you going to make money doing that? And so that's why it's very important for you to, first of all, figure out, where is the demand for this skill set? Who is in desperate need of this skill set? Who actually even wants this problem solved? That's the first part to go. And if your skill cannot pass this first test question, then you probably want to think about the next skill set in your pool of skill set to probably go monetize. Now, when it comes to skill monetization, there are problems and there are problems, right? There are problems that you can deal with and there are problems that you will pay the world to just get rid of it. And that's where you want to go. You want to make sure that you are solving a painful problem because that's the first problem people are willing to pay for, right? There's sometimes that, we have several challenges or needs, but it's not that bad, so we can live with them. So at the end of the day, if I find someone who wants to solve that problem, because it's not such a huge need for me, I can decide to, wait a little longer, use my funds for other things because it's not such a big deal. So when it comes to monetizing your skill sets, you don't want to focus on those type of skill sets where the problem is not a painful problem for people. Because when it's not a painful problem for people, then there is no desperation, there's no urgency, and you're just going to waste your time talking and talking and talking and trying to sell, and no one is really eager to buy. So your first need will be, how painful is this problem? For example, I'm a monetization coach. Almost everybody that I get to meet wants to make more money. This is a painful problem. People are tired of being broke. People are tired of being stuck. People are tired of working 9 to 5 and having limited income. And so people are looking for other things that they can do to bring them more money so they can afford their bills, afford their lifestyle, and just live a life of peace. There's urgency in this problem. There's desperation in this problem. People are looking for how to make more money on a daily basis. And so I'm able to focus on a need that is painful for my audience. And my audience are working professionals. I've been a working professional for the longest time. Every day, I'm always thinking of how to make more money because there are 1,001 problems that money can solve. And if you think about yourself, there's probably something that you can do with that extra money. And so there's urgency around this problem. And that's why I decided to focus on it. And so when it comes to your skill set, you want to make sure that it's a painful problem that you're trying to solve because that's the quickest way to get people to pay you for it. Now, the second test that your skill set must pass is this. Is there urgency around this problem? How bad do people quickly want this solved? Like I said earlier, if there is no urgency around the problem, people are going to take forever, right? For example, let's say you are trying to monetize a skill set that people only need once in a while. You're only going to make once in a while money, right? Because there's no urgency around it. It's not painful enough for people to want to quickly solve it, right? Imagine if there's a target audience who is homeless and he also needs food to eat and he also needs clothes to wear. And then here you are trying to sell, a luxury item to that client. which one is the most painful need that this client needs. So you can't be selling luxury item to someone who is homeless because they have a more pressing need, and that's what they're going to pay for if they have the money for it. Because at the end of the day, you need to realize that we have limited resources. Very few people have unlimited funds where they can afford everything that they need at every point in time. And so when you think about that from that perspective, it helps you understand that people have to always prioritize what they spend their money on. While there are, 1,001 problems that people have, you just want to make sure that whatever skill set you want to monetize is painful for that audience and it's urgent for that audience to solve, right? And that's why it's important that you understand who your audience is, because different people want different things at different points in time. My audience are working professionals, right? Working professionals have a need at certain point in time. And I'm not even looking at, a working professional who just started their career. They probably need to work a few years, getting that experience. So they're probably still enjoying, the world of work. I am focused on that working professional who has been working for quite a bit, who has climbed up the ladder and right now feels stuck and can't grow beyond, what they currently earn, and they need to make more money. That is my audience. I need someone who is ready to monetize their skill set tomorrow. Someone who is tired of being stuck. Someone who's probably bored of the 9-to-5 world because it's the same thing I've been doing over and over again, and my pay is barely increasing on a year-by-year basis. That's my audience. So I'm locked down on my audience, and I know exactly what they need because I've been in that exact stage at one point in my life. So you need to understand your audience that way and understand the urgency of what do they need. And looking back at my own audience, which is working professionals, one of the urgent needs that they have is, how can I build something on the side while I have my full-time job? What can I quickly do while I'm still keeping this stuff? Because I can't do without this 9-to-5 right now. I'm not financially balanced. And so I have to come up with, the strategies and things that will help them achieve just that. And that's what I did for myself, because my 9-to-5 pay was a big deal to me. It was helping me pay my bills and keep me afloat. And so I just couldn't do away with that almost immediately. And so I needed to have a strategy to help me just gradually rely less on that 9-to-5 and start building other work streams for myself. You have to understand your audience so much. You have to understand what's painful to them, and you have to understand what is urgent to those people. And it's important that your skill set pass through this test, because if they do not, you are not going to make money from that skill set. And I don't want you to waste your time. So ensure that you put your skill to this test and make sure that they pass these questions. Now, the third test that your skill set must pass through is this. Is your target audience ready to pay and have someone else do this for them? Things that we can do for ourselves, we probably don't want to pay people for it. But there are certain things that we want done that we don't know how to go about it, and we need someone to help us do it, and we're ready to pay someone for it. Your skill has to be able to go through that test where, when they take a look at the solution that you're offering, they are ready to give you their cash because they want someone to do that for them. They want someone to show them the way. They want someone to show them that system, that strategy. They don't want to waste time trying to figure things out. They want someone who has already figured it out and who can help them figure it out in the shortest possible time. Can your skill and the problem that you were trying to solve do this for your audience? If it's a yes, then you're on the right track. If it's a no, then you probably want to consider other skill sets that are within your purview, so that way you can guarantee that you will make money when you go ahead and launch. We don't want to waste time doing things that would not be profitable. We don't want to waste time doing things that are not fruitful. And so it's important that your skill set goes through this test. And once you're able to get a yes on all three questions, you are good to go. Now, you know what I always say. If you ever need help, then I want you to join my community. I have a Clarity to Cash blueprint, which is launching very soon. You can sign up to the wait list. And in this blueprint and program, you are going to be learning everything you need to successfully launch. So that way you don't have to waste your time. You don't have to try to figure things out. You already have the strategies that would help you achieve success. I'm all about speed, and I want you to, spend the least amount of time to help you get your goal, because I know that you don't have all day and you don't have all year. And so we need to make this money as quickly as possible. So if you need help monetizing your skill set, trying to figure things out, then sign up to my Clarity to Cash Blueprint. The link is going to be in the comments. Send me an email if you have any questions, and I will be more than happy to help you answer those questions. Thank you very much for spending another time with me in today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you share with your friends. And I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.